Hi guys, I'm Susan, and today I want to show you some snap jewelry available in our website. So what kind of snap jewelry we have? We have all kinds of snap jewelry, like such as bracelets, rings, earring, and pendants. You also can check in our website and more accessory snap accessory we have. So you can change the snap button according to your dress and your moods. It's very flexible. Now we will show you some our snap button and with snapper accessories. What kind of accessory we have? Okay, let's we say okay. Okay, now put in my desk is this is snap leather ring leather bracelet. This is snap ring bass. Okay, accessories. This is our accessory waiting for fits with our snap buttons. This is a full design snap button and different styles and with different pictures. Later I will show you by one. First we introduce our snap bracelets. This is for 2 rows more. The length is 16-inch. And this is one rows that is about 8-inch. Price is $1.43. This is more expensive because of the length. This is US $2.09. Okay, there's a ring accessory. The ring size is US size from 7 to 9, and also have the hole is for button because our button have two sizes, 12 millimeter and the 18 millimeters. So it is also different. And the price is same as US $1.2. Okay, and this for four designs, and some have their own meanings. So which design we have? And I'll show you first this one. Okay, this is a Chinese Yin Yang Tai Chi Chuck press button jewelry charms. Size is 18 millimeters for snap jewelry. So it is a Chinese mean some just saying for touch, and also if you trust such kind of things, you also can buy because it will take you good meanings, have some good meanings. Okay, this type and the colorful mixed colors. This is second one. Second one is the Uniqlo copper snapper charm, and this size is 20 millimeters. Snap buttons for snap jewelries. This is very fun, right? That lets you can create your own snap jewelries with interchangeable jewelry button charms. This is the 18 millimeters Arroyo snap button charms, anchors, fits ginger snapper jewelry. Also, some have several colors for this one. This is a snap jewelry copper stone snap button DIY accessory, and this is for women, different colors with different colors. So now I want to try and for you. First, we use these rings, different rings, only for several design. We have many kind of designs, and the snapper is a whole new kinds of interchangeable jewelry, and that features fashion snap button like charms you snap in and out of stylish bracelet and rings more. So we use this one. This is strange ring. Okay, first we use this similar like a turquoise beads. I put this inside. Rich and very gorgeous. When you go to party, gorgeous, right? When you go to party and when you go where, you can wear this one. Very beautiful rings. Also, we try another. This one. This is very too transparent, like a jet. No, not jet. This like a jet, right? Okay, like this, very beautiful. Okay, now we use another rings for this. This is make this base and little big round. Okay, we use this campers, like this. Different styles. Anchor. Very beautiful, right? Okay, now we finish our ring accessory. We use our leather bracelets like this, easy for us to take off like this. Okay, we use our Chinese, this one, Taj. Okay, we use this one. What? For me, this one a little big, but we can adjust our size. This made of alloy and have this kind of accessories. Okay, when you use this, just small another color. My color is red color. Okay, this red colors. Use the red one. This is a suitable maybe. Sorry, a little. Exert. Someone likes such kind of fashion and things. Maybe you can try this. And black. Also, we can try black one. Use our this anchor. Very beautiful for men's. Also, we can use for some women's like white. Okay. So if you like, and you can choose. So if you like, you can choose our Smart Snap jewelries, because Snap jewelries is very easy for us to change and replace, and our snap buttons. So yeah, we have more designs. You also can go to our website and to look for. Okay, so we can choose what I like. Also, you can do what you want. DIY. Okay. Thank you for your video. Okay.